I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Transferring funds from Payoneer to Wise can seem tricky, but it is quite straightforward once you know the steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into Payoneer. Start by logging into your Payoneer account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account from which you want to transfer funds. Step 2. Navigate to Withdraw. Once logged in, look for the Withdraw option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your fund transfers. Step 3. Select Bank Transfer. Choose the Bank Transfer option from the Withdraw menu. This will allow you to send money to your Wise account. Step 4. Enter Wise bank details. Input your Wise account bank details, including your account number and any relevant routing information. Double check these details to avoid any errors. A common mistake is entering the wrong routing number, which can delay your transfer. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the information you've entered, then confirm and submit the transfer request. You should receive a confirmation email once the transfer is initiated. That is it. You've successfully transferred funds from Payoneer to Wise. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have no issues. Happy transferring.